Hello, my name is Gio, short for George, and this is another episode of my printmaking channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own collagraphs using simple materials like these found at home. For this print, you'll need a thin sheet of cardboard, textured materials you can find around the house to incorporate into your print. Here I'm using two different types of ribbons as well as thin styrofoam, each offering a different texture that will be helpful when creating our print. You will also need printmaking materials such as your roller, ink, palette paper, or some type of plastic surface, everything discussed in previous videos in regards to printing. To start, I've gathered all these materials as well as tape and glue to hold all of these different pieces into place. Here you see me arranging the different pieces I've collected into the print that I wish to design. Once I've begun settling which piece goes where, I begin to glue them onto my thin sheet of cardboard. For certain materials like my thin ribbon, I take a brush to spread out my glue so that it evenly coats the cardboard and it will take a shorter amount of time to dry. After setting every other piece into its place, I begin putting small pieces of tape across my cardboard for design and textural purposes. It's important to experiment while you're doing these collagraphs, as that's part of the fun. With my design finished, I allowed it time to dry, with the help of a fan enabling it to be done in less than an hour. With the glue dried and every piece in its place, it's ready for the print. Once you have your station set up, you'll need to take your roller and begin rolling your ink. When your roller has thin dotted marks across it from the ink, it's ready to begin to be used on your block. Here I'm folding in extraneous pieces of my block into itself so that any extra ink won't get into the border. As mentioned in previous episodes, you want to coat your block several times with ink before you're ready for your first print. Once your block is readily inked, take your sheet of paper and place it upon your design. Then apply pressure as normal. And once the pressure is set, you'll have your finished print. I'm actually really fond of how this print turned out, seeing how every distinct texture I used turned out so differently within the print, from the thin negative spacing of the thinner ribbon to the dark contrasting blue of the styrofoam. I really enjoy how every texture is brought within my piece. For cleaning up, you'll need to use my methods from other videos, mainly utilizing soap and washcloths. However, for your plate, considering it's made of glue and very frail materials, washing it would lead to it destroying itself. And this is how you create a collagraph monoprint. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I did want to apologize, it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video. It's honestly a little hard to maintain motivation through these trying times, but I enjoy making these videos for you all, and I hope you're all enjoying them yourselves. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Take care. My name is Geo. It's short for bleh. Short for bleh. Blah, blah, blah. Tiny baby. God.